Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to find .htaccess file in cPanel. So let's get started. So to find our .htaccess file, at first we are going to log into our cPanel account. In the address bar, we are going to type our domain name /cpanel and hit enter. And here we need to enter our cPanel username and password and then click on login. So now we are in the cPanel account. So to find our .htaccess file, from the file section we are going to file manager. From here we are going to click on public_html, and here you will see all the website files, but as you can see that .htaccess file is not available. So to find your .htaccess file, from the top we are going to click on settings, and then we are going to select home directory, and then we will check this checkbox show hidden files, and then we will click on save. And here is our .htaccess file that we are searching for. So this is how you can find .htaccess file in cPanel. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.